today's video, we'll be talking about best resources to learn how to code and program. The first resource I'll be introducing to you is web.dev. Web.dev has a collection of courses on web development and web design. You can start by learning HTML, and then you can go through by learning CSS, JavaScript, and then you take the rest of the other courses as well. The second resource we'll be talking about is MDN Curriculum. MDN Curriculum provides recommended learning resources to become successful at front-end development. The next platform we'll be talking about is FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp provides you with the resources to learn, build projects, and earn certifications as well, so you can sign up and get started. The last resource we'll be talking about is CodePeep.com. CodePeep gives you the opportunity to practice your skills by playing web development games. This is how the platform looks like. There are a couple of games over here. You can just go through some of them and practice.